sponsors. I mean, that is the biggest help. Nemours, even though we're here working for them and for the cause to raise awareness, raise money, they help us tremendously. Without their help and without the help of Orlando Harley-Davidson and our platinum sponsors, we would not be here right now doing this year after year.
Also, by the way, super bad news. I got some really bad news for the evening. There are no more tickets for the motorcycle. They are sold out. That is outstanding. All right, 2,500.
The weather, you know what it looks like tomorrow around here. So this was meant to be. Round of applause for that. Come on. And again, enjoy yourself. We've got about 35 minutes before we do our safety brief. Plenty of time to enjoy some donuts, some drinks, to mingle, network, meet and drink with each other. Make sure you go potty before we go to get on the ride, because there's no stop.
time. It's time to get this party started. We're gonna give away some stuff. It's a red ticket, and the number is 3891922.
Come on, couple pigs.
All right, one last free item. This is 4 pieces of artwork done by the children at Nemours. All right, on the back of these. This is Katie.
Hi, Katie.
Katie is officially a cancer survivor. Is this Aimee Jordan? She's on the phone right now. She says, I have you, by the way, on speaker in front of like 400 plus people. She says, holy moly, and I won't repeat the rest because there's children present. She said, did I really win a motorcycle? Aimee, yes, you really won a motorcycle. So, can I ask you, do you remember where you bought your ticket at? They bought their ticket at Orlando Harley-Davidson. Well, Aimee Jordan, we're going to be contacting you here in a little while to work out the details, but you won a motorcycle. She says she's doing somersaults and kicks and all sorts of stuff that we can't describe over the microphone, but she's super excited about it. Aimee, John, one more time, round of applause. Aimee Jordan just won a 2021 Harley-Davidson Road Glide. All right, Aimee, we will be calling you here in a little while to work out the details, but you are the winner.